So hey everybody, this is Randy and Tammy with Cause for Travels, and today we are at Universal City Walk, and we have something very special for you guys. As you may or may not be able to see behind me, depends if you can read backwards or not. We have Big Fire, so Tammy got reservations at Big Fire.
It's a great place when people visit. Most of the time we bring them here. It has wonderful food, has wonderful baked Alaska. The ambiance is absolutely beautiful, and it's a gorgeous restaurant.
It is a happening place right now. City Walk is just jammed. They are just now opening up. I tried to get reservations at 4 o'clock, and something told Tammy just to look. You're going to see some really good food, some good steaks, and probably, you know, knowing me, a good drink. So we're going to take you along. We're going to show you everything that they have, and you know, if you like it, if you like this content, you know, whack or like I always say. If you want to see more of places to eat when you're here in Orlando, visiting or anything like that, just subscribe, and Tammy'd be happy to she'd be happy to put something together for you. And like I said, we're all over the place, so you know, you just never know where we're going to be next. But Big Fire, definitely an awesome place you got to try. Okay guys, so we actually started off, Tammy, I know you're surprised by it, started off with her bread service. This is the Hearth Oven Baked Bread. It's a Big Fire signature Hearth Oven Baked Bread served with herb butter and orange peach preserves. And looks really good. And then for my starter is their one of their signature old fashions. That's right, it's an old fashioned. And this one is a blackberry and blackberry what?
Citrus.
It is a blackberry citrus, yes. Tammy knows my own drink better than I do. But I'll let you know how it is, and we will let you know how everything goes. We're waiting to order, and we already know what we're going to order. This is a steak place. They would fire the steak. You're going to love it. All right, guys, so I actually opted to get the wedge. I love wedge. I love blue cheese, and this is one of my favorites. Tammy, as you can see, the bread, she absolutely destroyed the bread, but the wedge
It has avocado in it.
actually has avocado in it, so it's actually really cool. It's avocado, red onions, tomatoes, egg, bacon, and blue cheese dressing, which I'm a huge blue cheese junkie.
Yep.
And this is my only piece of bread that she let me have.
And that's a lie.
And I'll tell you, the old fashioned, it just kind of disappeared. It is really good, the blackberry citrus. And a really good choice if you guys happen to come here. I highly recommend it. Okay guys, well we have our meals that finally came. And as you can tell on Tammy's, and just to tell you, she couldn't even wait to show you guys. She had to eat a potato.
He couldn't get the camera to work.
I could not. This little remote control sucks. But anyway, Tammy actually got the New York strip steak. And then she has smashed potatoes. They're not mashed, they're smashed potatoes and carrots. I have, and that's about I think it's a 10-ounce piece.
It's a 10 ounce.
I have the filet mignon and smashed potatoes and carrots. And the carrots are really sweet and have I have a honey glaze on them. I'm not sure. My filet mignon has actually is an 8 ounce, just plain carrots.
Yes, that are flame grilled.
and they're flame grilled.
Oh,
Everything
they're
here, that's one of the
wonderful.
things, is everything here is flame grilled. My salad was outstanding, the wedge salad that I had. And I'm sure these steaks, they've never disappointed with steaks, so I'm sure you guys will really enjoy
Very
it.
good.
As you can tell, she can't even wait until we're done. She's eating. So we'll bring you back real soon when dessert's here. So guys and gals, Tammy's got an extra special treat for you guys tonight. It's actually dinner and a show. She has ordered dessert, which is an anomaly, by the way. And it's Baked Alaska. So Baked Alaska, when it comes out, it will be quite the show. So I just wanted to say that before they get here, because when they get here, everything goes pretty quick. But dinner has been outstanding so far. You're going to really like her Baked Alaska.
Your favorite part of your job? Catching stuff on fire?
We promised them dinner and a show, so.
Have you ever burnt yourself doing this?
Not yet. So hopefully it's not the first time.
I was going to say, don't do anything special on our account.
Oh, looks beautiful.
Thank you.
No problem. Give it about 20 to 30 seconds. It'll caramelize that meringue for you, and you should be good to go.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. So as you can tell, Tammy got her Baked Alaska.
You can't see the flames, but there are flames in there.
Yeah, he set it on fire.
You can smell it.
Maybe you can get, I don't know, maybe we can get a little bit closer to you guys so you can see it. You can kind of see it a little bit.
Oh yeah, you can see it
But
a
you
little
leave
bit.
it, yeah, you leave it on there, and you just let it kind of cook. And the ice cream is outstanding. It is just really outstanding. So this is Tammy's favorite dessert here, and it is really good. I have to give her that.
Randy likes the s'mores. They do call for a s'mores at the table. You make them.
Oh, the s'mores is awesome. They actually bring a little cooker out to your plate so that you can cook, do your marshmallows and everything right over top of the flame, and then you put everything together. But this is Tammy's favorite, so we had this for you guys, and we will. This about wraps it up for us at Big Fire. We'll let you know how everything is when we leave. So Tammy actually wanted to share with you the inside of the Baked Alaska. It is basically solid frozen ice cream, and then
It's
meringue on top.
strawberry, and chocolate, and then your vanilla, and then meringue on top.
Neapolitan, basically.
Yes.
Neapolitan, but we just wanted to share that, what it'll actually look like for those of you who haven't had Baked Alaska.
It's cooked ice cream.
Absolutely. Okay, guys, well, that is going to do us for Big Fire here at Universal City Walk. And the meal was absolutely outstanding.
It was wonderful. It was perfect.
And Tammy got her bread.
The bread was okay. I wouldn't get the bread again. I really wouldn't.
It was kind of dry. I mean, you pay for bread. Usually places give you bread for free. You pay for bread, you expect it to be a little bit special. It was not. I mean, what was special were the spreads that you had on top of it.
Those were good.
And then, my wedge salad was really good. Our steaks, I couldn't.
They always do really good with steaks and the smashed potatoes, and the carrots were really good.
Yeah, I actually ate my carrots. I was going to substitute. I was going to have like asparagus or something like that. That's more of, sadly, my forte. But it was really good. Everything was really good. And then the Baked Alaska
Was gorgeous.
Tammy just.
It was superb.
I think I got one bite.
Oh
I'm not
my
sure.
gosh, you ate most of it.
Oh, I ate most of it. Please.
Yes.
I ate half. We'll go half. Maybe 45%. I'm not sure, but.
You're so full of it.
But no, it was really good food. So if you guys are visiting the area, or if you're locals and haven't
Oh my
been here,
goodness.
come here. This is Big Fire is a great restaurant. Really good food, good atmosphere.
Don't think of it just as meat. If you're a vegan
Oh, yeah.
or vegetarian, we had people sitting across from us. They had a cauliflower steak. It was big. It looked good.
Yeah.
So don't think that you have to come here and have steak. They also have seafood,
They do, guys.
and they have Baked Alaska. And like I said, the s'mores, and they have other desserts, but I like the Baked Alaska. It's really good.
I'm not sure they caught that. You had Baked Alaska. Was that what it was? Baked Alaska? Because we've
It's
said it
better
like.
than s'mores.
No. I think you'd have a split one on that one, but.
Nah.
Yeah, the guy behind me, he had fish, and it looked pretty good. It looked really good. So I think that's gonna, like I said, that's gonna be it for us this time. Hopefully you guys saw what you liked. If you liked it, smash our like I always say, or whack our like. The other thing, if you want to see more content like this, or if you have an idea of something that you'd like to see, we'll be more than happy to go do it for you. Send you footage before you come down here.
I don't know why the bell's ringing.
Just subscribe. Maybe something special at 5:44 in the afternoon. I'm not sure, but that's Anahitos over there, the Mexican restaurant, I believe is what it is.
I bet you're right.
But yeah, and then like I said, if you want to come down, get a hold of Tammy through her email, Tammy@callsfortravels.com, or one of our social media. She'd be happy to put something together for you. There is no charge for her services whatsoever. If you don't like what she does, that's okay. We'll still part as friends, no harm, no foul. And but if you do, I know she'll put together a great trip for you guys. So until next time.
Bye.